Does your car smell like last week's takeout or dusty gym clothes? It's time for an upgrade. Today on Auto Rift, we are counting down the top 5 best car air fresheners. We've ranked them from the classics to the absolute best odor eliminator on the market. Which one takes the number 1 spot? Let's find out. Kicking off our list at number 5 is an absolute legend, Little Trees Black Ice. You've seen these everywhere for a reason. This 24-pack ensures you're stocked up for the long haul. The Black Ice scent is bold, masculine, and gives your car that mysterious, cool vibe. It's affordable, it's iconic, and it gets the job done. If you want a proven classic that never fails, this is where you start. Coming in at number 4, we have the best bang for your buck, the Drive Joy Car Air Freshener Vent Clips. This 8-pack is perfect for anyone on a budget who doesn't want to sacrifice quality. You get a mix of ocean and new car scents that last up to 240 days combined. They are small, discreet, and clip right onto your vents to spread freshness instantly. For bulk value, Drive Joy is hard to beat. At number 3, we're adding some style to your interior with the AROI Car Air Freshener diffusers. Unlike standard plastic clips, these are beautiful glass bottles that use essential oils. This 6-pack is perfect for those who want a softer, more natural fragrance like lavender or vanilla. They look amazing hanging from your rearview mirror and make a fantastic gift. It's not just a freshener, it's decor for your dashboard. Our runner-up at number 2 is the heavy-duty solution, Meguiar's Whole Car Air Refresher. Sometimes a clip isn't enough. If you bought a used car with a smoke smell or have deep-set odors, this odor eliminator mist is what you need. It circulates through your ventilation system, neutralizing smells permanently and leaving behind a crisp, new car scent. It's a full reset button for your vehicle's smell. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, the Febreze Unstopables Fresh Scent Vent Clips. This is the gold standard. While others mask smells, Febreze actually cleans them away. The fresh scent is powerful but not overpowering. It smells like high-end clean laundry. It's long-lasting, reliable, and Amazon's top choice for a reason. If you want the absolute best freshness for your daily drive, this is the one to get. Here is your quick recap. At number 5, Little Trees for that classic vibe. Number 4, Drive Joy for unbeatable bulk value. Number 3, Aroic for style and essential oils. Number 2, Meguiar's for deep odor elimination. And our number 1 pick, Febreze Unstopables for the ultimate clean scent. Do you agree with our number 1 pick? Let us know in the comments below. All product links are in the description. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to Auto Rift for more automotive rankings. Thanks for watching.